Alright, going to write rules for linear functions. So, a trip to the fair costs $10 for entry and $3 per ride. Write a function rule for t, the total cost of our rides. So we want t, the total cost, so we're going to have a t equals, it costs $3 per ride, so that's going to be 3r plus our entry fee of $10, which you only pay one time. So there's no variable with that because it's just a one-time fee. You know exactly how much it costs to get in. And then the number of rides depends on how many you actually go and ride. So it would be t equals 3r plus 10. Alright, so do the tables do the values in the table represent a linear function. So we need to first see if we're changing by a constant amount. So to get from 1 to 1/2, that's minus 1/2. To get from 1/2 to 0 is minus 1/2. 0 to negative 1/2 is minus 1/2. And negative 1/2 to negative 1 would be minus 1/2. And then over here, negative 2 to 1 is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and plus 1. So we are going up by constant, which would be negative 1/2 over 1, which can be reduced to just negative 1/2. So that's our slope of the line, is negative 1/2. And we go through the point 0, 0, so we're not going to add or subtract anything. So if we want to write the function for that, it'd be y equals negative 1/2 x. So yes, this is linear, and it has a function of y equals negative 1/2 x. Alright, so now we need to write a function for the graph. So let's see what's going on with this graph. So let's first do our slope. So we got a point there and there. So let's see what we're doing. We're going to go down 1, 2, 3. So that's negative 3. We're going over 1, 2. So negative 3 over 2. That's what we put with our variable. So we got y equals negative 3 over 2 x. And then we look at where we cross the y-axis, which is up here at 7. So it's a positive 7, so we're going to add 7. So our function would be y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 7. Alright, so now we need to write a function rule for a birthday party. Costs $50 for the building and $10 per guest. And how much would, that should be 15, that is 15 guests cost. Alright, so first let's write our function rule. So y equals, and what's our variable? What's going to change in this? And what can change is the number of people that come, or the number of guests. So we're going to have 10x, x representing the number of guests, plus the $50 we have to pay for the building. So if one person comes, or 100 people comes, we still have to pay for the building. So it's going to be 10x plus 50. Now if we want to know how much it costs for 15, we're going to put that 15 in there. So we're going to have y equals 10 times 15 plus 50. So 10 times 15 would be 150 plus 50. So y would equal $200. So for 15 people to come to the birthday party, it would cost $200.